Hello everyone. In this video, we will see about angles formed by a transversal. Now this topic is from the chapter Parallel Lines for class 9. In the previous video, we have already seen what are parallel lines and what is a transversal. So before watching this video, please watch the previous video on parallel lines and transversal. I have given the link of that video in the description and the I button. Please check it out. Now we will see angles formed by a transversal. So let us start. Angles formed by a transversal. Here line L and line M are two lines, okay, and line N is intersecting both the lines, okay. Now here it is intersecting at 2 points, okay. Now in total there are 8 angles are formed. See, this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, this is angle 4, okay. Here there are 4 angles and here see this angle 5, this is angle 6, this is angle 7 and this is angle 8. Okay. Total there are 8 angles are formed. Okay. See, there are 2 lines and one transversal is intersecting at 2 points. Okay. So in total there are 8 angles are formed. Okay. Now we will see about these angles. Okay, one by one. First we will see corresponding angles. Pairs of corresponding angles. See, here we have the definition, okay, but the definition is not asked in exam, okay. This is just for your understanding. See, here is the definition. See it. If the arms on the transversal of a pair of angles are in the same direction and the other arms are on the same side of the transversal, then it is called as pair of corresponding angles. Okay. Corresponding means one arm of both the angles should be on the same direction of the transversal. Okay. Same direction on the transversal. Okay. So one arm which is on the transversal should be on the same direction and the other arm is on the same side of transversal. Okay. So same direction and same side. So whenever the word corresponding is there, corresponding angles is there, you have to remember same direction and same side of the transversal. Okay. Now see this angle A and angle E. Okay. Angle A and angle E. I have shown it with red color. Now these two are pair of corresponding angles. Okay. It is in the same direction and same side of transversal. Okay. Now I will show you a trick to find the corresponding angles. Okay. Definition is not asked in exam. How you can identify the corresponding angles? See, for finding the corresponding angles, you have to remember this shape of the letter F. See, for finding out the corresponding angles, you have to remember the English alphabet F. Okay. And from this, we can find this angle. See here, this. Okay. These two angles are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles identify करना है तो ये F letter को याद रखो. ये shape में यहाँ पे होगा. Now from this we can find in this figure. Okay. Now see, here is angle A. Now see this line. Here. See, there is F. See, I have highlighted this with yellow color. There is the shape of letter F. So, angle A and angle E. Angle A and angle E. See, these two angles are corresponding angles. Two angles will together form a pair of corresponding angles. दो angles साथ में जो इस तरह के form में है. See here F shape. So the first pair of corresponding angle is angle A and angle E. So the first pair is angle A and angle E. Okay, now see this Okay, now see here. Here also it is forming a shape of F, the letter F. Okay, see this angle D. Okay, this angle D and this angle H. Okay, so angle D and angle H are pair of corresponding angles. Okay, so angle D is corresponding angle of angle H. So angle D and angle H is the second pair of corresponding angles. Okay, this is the first, this is the second. Okay, two pairs we have got. Next we will find the third pair of corresponding angles. Okay, now see this. Okay, see here also, see again it is forming the shape of F. Okay, now see this angle B and see here angle F. Okay, angle B and angle F are pair of corresponding angles. Okay, see always remember, for corresponding angles remember the shape of letter F. Okay, angle B and angle F is the third pair of corresponding angles. Now the fourth pair we will see. Again this is forming, see this here, it is forming the shape of letter F. So here angle C. Okay, angle C, and the corresponding angle of angle C is angle G. Okay, so the corresponding angle of angle C is angle G. So the fourth pair is angle C and angle G. Okay, if there are two lines and one transversal is intersecting both the lines, then we will get four pairs of corresponding angles. So these are the pairs of corresponding angles. Okay, that letter F we have to remember for finding the corresponding angles. Okay, next we will see alternate angles. Now pair of alternate angles. Okay, see alternate angles are of two types. Okay, alternate angles are of two types: alternate interior angle and alternate exterior angle. First we will see what is alternate angle. Okay, see the definition: pair of angles which are on the opposite sides of transversal and their arms on the transversal show opposite direction is called a pair of alternate angles. Okay, definition is again not asked in exam, but I have shown it to make you understand. See whenever the word alternate is there, you have to remember the word opposite. Okay, opposite side. Whenever you see the word alternate angles, you have to remember the word opposite sides. Okay, it is on the opposite side of the transversal and the other arm show opposite डायरेक्शन. ओके, जैसे ही ये वर्ड ऑल्टरनेट दिखेगा आपको, ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स, आपको ये ऑपोजिट वर्ड, ये वर्ड याद रखना है. अल्टरनेट एंगल्स हमेशा ऑपोजिट साइड में रहेंगे, ट्रांसवर्सल के ऑपोजिट साइड में रहेंगे. ओके, द alternate angles will be always on the opposite side of transversal. Okay, now I will show you a trick to identify alternate angles. Okay, now the alternate angles are of two types. Okay, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles. Okay, see whenever you see the word alternate, you should remember the letter. Okay, you should remember this alphabet Z. Okay, the letter F was the trick for finding corresponding angles. For alternate angles, you have to see the alphabet Z. Okay, the word interior means inside. Okay, इंटीरियर का मतलब होता है अंदर की तरफ. ओके, सो इसमें अंदर की तरफ जो एंगल्स है जेड के अंदर, ये जो दो लाइंस के बीच में जो अंदर की तरफ का जो एंगल्स है, इंटीरियर मीन्स इनसाइड. सो the angles which is inside this Z. Okay, see this angle and this angle. Okay, so This is alternate interior angles. Okay. Now from this figure we will find the alternate interior angles. See here. Here it is forming Z shape. See this angle C. Okay. See this angle C and angle E. Angle C and angle E. This is the first pair of alternate interior angles. Okay. Now we will see the second pair. Okay. Now see. Here also Z shape is forming. Okay, now see this angle B and this angle H. Angle H is the alternate interior angle. Okay, see angle B and angle H. And always remember alternate angles are formed on the opposite sides of the transversal. Okay, so the second pair of alternate interior angles is angle B and angle H. Okay, see here angle B this and angle H. I have shown it with red color. Okay. So here there are only two pairs of alternate interior angles. Now we will see alternate exterior angles. Okay. Alternate exterior angles. Exterior means outside. Okay. Outside the parallel lines. Okay. Bahar ki taraf. Here also we have to remember the shape of the alphabet Z. Okay. But the alternate exterior angle will be outside the two lines. Okay. But here the angles will be outside. Alternate exterior angles में यही difference है कि ये Z के बाहर की तरफ होगा. Okay. I will show with example. See. Now see. The alternate exterior angle is outside this Z. Okay. हमेशा याद रखो alternate means alternate जब भी ये word आएगा मतलब जो angles होगा वो transversal के opposite sides में होगा. Okay. So here angle D. Angle D. Now the alternate exterior angle is angle F. Okay, see. Understood the difference? Here exterior, we are taking outside this Z shape. Okay. So angle D and angle F are alternate exterior angles. Okay. So the first pair of alternate exterior angles is angle D and angle F. Okay. Angle D and angle F. Okay, now see here. Here also it is forming a Z shape. Okay, angle B and here outside the Z shape we have to see. So which angle will come? Angle G. Okay, angle B and angle G are pair of alternate exterior angle. So angle B and angle G. Okay, are pair of alternate exterior angles. Okay, the second pair. Okay, angle B and angle G. Okay, see here. I have shown it with red color. Okay, see angle B and angle G. So there are two pairs of alternate exterior angles. Okay, next we will see interior angles. Pairs of interior angles on the same side of transversal. Here only interior word is there. Alternate word is not there. Okay, the definition we will see. A pair of angles which are on the same side of the transversal and inside the given lines is called a pair of interior angles. Okay, interior angles means it, you have to remember same side of transversal. The angles will be on the same side of transversal and interior. The word interior means inside. Okay, the word interior means inside and inside the given lines. Okay, see this angle C and angle H. Angle C and angle H, this is example of Interior angles, pair of interior angles. See, it is on the same side of transversal and inside the two given lines. Okay. इंटीरियर का मतलब है इनसाइड, अंदर की तरफ, ये दोनों लाइन के अंदर एंगल्स होंगे. ओके, एंड ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ ट्रांसवर्सल. ओके, I will give a trick to identify these angles. Okay, for interior angles you have to remember the shape of this alphabet C. Okay, you have to remember the shape of this alphabet C. So this angle and this angle are called interior angles. Okay, only interior. Interior means अंदर की तरफ. Okay, जो अंदर है, inside. Okay, see this. See here. Here the C shape is forming here. Okay, see, angle B and angle E. See these two angles, angle B and angle E. So these angles are pair of interior angles. Okay, these angles are called just interior angles. Okay, यहाँ पे alternate का कोई word ही नहीं है, alternate है नहीं. Okay, don't get confused. It is just interior angles. Okay, so angle B and angle E. Okay, see, angle B and angle E. I have shown it with red color. Okay, so these are pair of interior angles. So this is the first pair. Okay, remember, interior angles are always formed on the same side of a transversal. Okay, ये जो ट्रांसवर्सल है इसके सेम साइड में होगा. सो दिस इज द ट्रांसवर्सल एंड इंटीरियर एंगल्स विल बी ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ ट्रांसवर्सल. ओके, here also we can form the shape of the letter C. Okay, see this angle, angle C, this angle, angle C, and angle H. Okay, angle C and angle H. So these two angles are pair of interior angles. Okay, the second pair of interior angle is angle C and angle H. See, angle C and angle H. I have shown it with red color. Okay, so here we can see we have two pairs of interior angles. Okay, so here we end this video. If you have any doubt in this topic, please write it in the comments. If this video was helpful to you, please like and share it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.